Hi everyone, can you just confirm if audio, video, everything is good?
Hi all, welcome to Go Classes. Before we start this session, please let us know audio, video, volume, echo. Is everything clear? Is everything fine? Then we will start this session.
Okay,
Please confirm.
so once it's saying yes, everything is good.
So, very excited to launch GATE DA 2026 course with many exciting changes and updates. It will be better version of our previous course. Already, our last year course was loved by so many students. And this year we are bringing some new updates, some new changes in our course to make it even better. This is what we do every year. Okay, we keep making our course as better as possible because there is always possibility for improvement, and we basically thrive to do that.
Yes, so last year, let me tell you that we have launched this course around this time only, and it became so popular that everyone was loving, especially ML videos that we have put on the YouTube channel. Everyone was loving it, and we actually made this course free for 15 days. And just in 2 days, just in initial 2 days, there were more than 4,000 enrollments. You people might know this, that we just made it free in last 15 days. So it was actually loved by many people because free videos along with the course videos was also watched when we made it free for 15 days by many people. So yes, so we are very excited to start this session. Let us know if you are equally excited or not. Okay.
So, welcome to Go Classes again. Very excited to start our GATE DA 2026 journey. So, let us tell you all about our GATE DA 2026 course. But before that, first of all, let us thank you for trusting Go Classes for your best GATE DA preparation.
So let us just reveal some numbers. So this is one screenshot we have taken a few days back. I think this number is now larger than that. So there has been more than 50,000 students who has signed up on our website. So sign up doesn't mean that they are enrolled student. They basically signed up for the free courses. So our linear algebra for Gate D is completely free. For our computer science course, discrete mathematics and engineering mathematics are also free. So there has been more than 50,000 students or learners who have signed up till this point, or maybe little bit more because this screenshot is a bit old. So thank you everyone for trusting Go Classes.
Let us tell you that we are so confident about our quality, about the content quality, and basically our course, that we have made linear algebra for GATE DA, the complete linear algebra syllabus for GATE DA, that is free, complete year. Okay, whole year. Basically, right now also it is free, and it will be free for whole year. So complete linear algebra for GATE DA complete syllabus is freely available on Go Classes website or app. You can visit Go Classes website, you can download Go Classes app, and you can watch complete linear algebra for free. Okay, and so you can see that more than 50,000 students, they recently, this basically we crossed the mark of 50,000 on our Go Classes website or app. More than 50,000 students have signed up for either paid course or for some for free courses. Okay, because as I told you, for GATE DA complete linear algebra for GATE DA, that is free, that is freely available on Go Classes website or app. Also, we conducted many all India mock tests for GATE DA, and you can see that total 7 all
Yes,
India mock
there
tests we
have been
conducted.
7.
Yes, total 7 all India mock tests we conducted for GATE DA 2025 aspirants, and you can see that almost 822. This is the exact number in all India mock test 6. This is a huge number. If you see the total how many serious GATE DA aspirants are there, and you can see that 822. These are the live students who attempted
Yes.
our GATE DA all India mock test 6 live. Okay, after the live was over, after the live timing was over, then more students they attempted our all India mock test 6. But this is the live number of students who attempted our AMT 6 all India mock test 6 live.
So this number, considering Gate DA, this number is very good number. So like if you are if you have attempted these tests, then you also know the quality of these tests. So this is AIMT6 number. Similarly, in AIMT5 also there was similar number. There are like other AIMTs like AIMT1 to and almost all AIMTs this number was consistent. Yes, in some AIMTs this was around 700, but yeah, most of the time it was around 800 only.
So we provided 7 all India mock tests for GATE DA 2025 aspirants, and these were free mock tests. So you can see that a lot of students, almost all the serious aspirants who prepared for GATE DA 2025, they attempted our all India mock test, and these were free. These were free for all, and you can see this is a big number. I think this is much more than any other institute. I think this is
Right.
it is a very huge number. Let us share our GATE CS 2024 result. So you can see that in GATE CS 2024, 20 plus course enrolled students, they got rank in top 100. In top 100, there were 20 plus course enrolled students. All India rank 1 in GATE CS 2024, Piyush Kumar, he was our complete course enrolled student. You can see it here. All India rank 2, he was goclasses test series and free courses student, Priyanshu Sharma. All India rank 8, Utkarsh Sharma, he was goclasses test series student. And you can see that 75 plus students who were our complete course student, I'm talking about the complete course student. You can see that, you can see here that
Yeah. So just a second. So basically 75 plus students, as we are as we have written here, these many students were there in top 500. So now you can imagine the quality of the course. So basically there have been many students, like 75 plus students have been there in top 500.
so let us tell you all about our GATE DA 2026 course. Actually,
Yes.
before we start, let me also tell you that a few days back, we for 15 days, actually from 1st February to 15th February, we launched we made our GATE DA course free for all. Okay, our complete GATE DA course for 15 days from 1st February to 15th February, we made it free for everyone, for all. Okay, and in that free course, let me tell you, in that free course, almost 8,000 students, they signed up, they enrolled, and they studied for 15 days our complete GATE DA course, all subject, machine learning, AI, LA, probability, DBMS, algo, data structure, all the courses, basically all the subjects, they were free for 15 days. That is our confidence in our quality, in our content. And you can see almost 8,000 students, they signed up, they enrolled in our free GATE DA course that we made free for 15 days. Okay, so that actually shows you that how much confident we are, that we made it free for everyone, that anyone can watch our course for 15 days, not only for 1 or 2 days, not only for that,
Right.
for 15 days you can watch our course. 15 days is enough, I think, to complete one whole subject. You can complete whole subject, you can complete in 15 days. So you can see that is our belief, our confidence in our content quality, and that is the reason we made it free for 15 days. Okay.
So let us tell you that who will be teaching you, right? So as you know that I and Deepak will be teaching, and along with us there are like two names which are not now less popular. I mean that they are now now equally popular, I think. So let us just reveal the faculty who will be teaching you.
So yes,
Yeah,
Sachin.
so this is me, Sachin Mittal. I'm co-founder and instructor at goclasses. I finished my masters from IISc, and I've also achieved GATE CSE All India Rank 33, and I worked at Amazon as an applied scientist. So I will be teaching. Along with me, Deepak will also be teaching.
Actually, before that, let me tell you that Sachin sir will be teaching you machine learning, complete machine learning that will be taught by Sachin sir. And you can see that in Amazon, he worked for more than 1 year as applied scientist. Okay, so that is the top position in Amazon. And from his experience of machine learning, from his experience of industry, he will be teaching you all the concepts in the ML. And let me again tell you that for machine learning, actually few of the beginning lectures we put on the Go Classes GATE DA YouTube channel. So you can just check out the GATE DA YouTube channel. There you will find many lectures of machine learning, ML. Okay, many of our course lectures. So those you can find on the GATE DA YouTube channel also. So that is again again I'm repeating that basically we are very confident. That is the reason we can give our gate da course for free for 15 days.
Right.
Okay, we can put our machine learning lectures on YouTube for free.
Actually, Deepak,
Yes.
on those lectures, on machine learning lectures, actually there have been, you just you just see the comments. There have been many nice comments. So you just see those comments. Currently, we don't have a screenshot. Maybe I will put it in the session little later. But yeah, you can see those screenshots. There have been many comments praising the lectures. So yeah, we are. That is why like we are very confident in this.
Next is me, Deepak Punia. I am also co-founder and faculty at goclasses. I have completed my MTech from Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, IISc Bangalore, and multiple times I have got top rank in the GATE Computer Science exam, All India rank 53, All India rank 67, 107, 206, and so on. So these are some of my ranks from GATE CS. Next is Anjali Chauhan. She has she is basically she has completed MTech from IISc Bangalore, and she got All India rank 13 in GATE CSE, and she will be teaching you complete aptitude, also AI,
Yeah.
artificial intelligence. Okay, and let me tell you about Anjali that see one of her lecture, only one lecture actually we put on the Go Classes Gate DA YouTube channel.
Yes.
That was A star algorithm. So that complete lecture on A star algorithm we put on our YouTube channel, and let me tell you, you just check the comments there. Okay, you will love the lecture, and you just check the comments on that video. Students are loving all the lectures that are taught by Anjali, because Anjali teaches in depth. Okay, so she will teach you all the concepts with proof in depth. She will be taking a lot of examples. Okay, if you see her Anjali's A star algorithm video, if you see, so in that video, let me tell you, she has taken 30 questions in that video. Concept is there, a lot of practice is there, then 30 questions she has taken. And let me tell you, out of those 30 questions, question number 26 or 27 that came in GATE DA 2024 exam, as it is.
As it is. Yes.
Yes, you just check the comments below that video. A star, you on YouTube, you can just put, or we will put the link in the description. In the pinned comment, we will put the link of our A star algorithm video. So just check the comments under that video. There are many comments where students are saying that and because of Anjali ma'am, we got 2 marks in the GATE DA 2024 exam, because the question number 26 or 27, that question as it is came in GATE DA 2024 exam. Okay, so that is the quality of Anjali Chauhan.
Actually, let me just add one more thing, that not just A star, there have been in entire artificial intelligence, there are many topics. In all the topics, she has taken many questions. So, for example, there is one topic called Bayesian network. So, last year, she has taught AI, artificial intelligence, in Go classes. And in every topic, she has taken many questions. Like, for example, Bayesian network, there are like I think more than 30 questions. And then there is a topic called Markov blanket. Then there are many questions on that. There are like search techniques. There are many questions on that. So there are many questions. Like there is a topic called sampling that she has taught last year. And there are like she has solved many standard questions, not just questions, many standard questions. That okay, this question is from this university, like that, right? Only questions from either top universities or gate PYQs or other branches gate PYQs, or maybe like some questions from the books, reference books. So only standard questions have been taken by her. And she has recently actually shared her review, her course review on the LinkedIn. So you can see that particular post also. There are like many screenshots she has put, and many comments are praising her lectures. So like we are just emphasizing on the quality of her lectures.
that
She's-
link that link also we will put in the description, also in the pinned comment. So after this session is over, you can check out the pinned comment. There you will find the post by Anjali, where she has shared the feedback from the students she got for teaching AI course.
And next is Ayub. So Ayub is also ISC alumni. Ayub has completed his MTech from CSE department, the same department that I, Deepak, Anjali, and we all are from the same department basically. Ayub has completed his MTech from ISC Bangalore, CSE department only. Currently, he is working as data scientist, and last year also he has taken many lectures. Few lectures in algorithms, few lectures in machine learning, few lectures in statics, few lectures in machine learning implementation. And let me also tell about Ayub that all of his lectures got loved by many students. So if you are like, if anyone is here who is, previous year student, previous year go classes student, you can tell the quality of his lectures. So now we are having Ayub and Anjali, and apart from me and Deepak, and we are just sharing their feedback. So all of those lectures, either taken by Anjali or taken by Ayub, all of those lectures are basically liked by many students. So yes, we are very confident in all of our lectures. So this is
So
the faculty introduction.
actually, just now there is a comment from a student, Prasanna Kumar. So he is saying Ayub sir, and there is love emoji. So all the students who have watched Ayub sir's lectures, please share your feedback, because we have got excellent feedback for Ayub sir, and that is our team. So you can see for Gate DA. So we have shared with you who will be teaching you, and let me tell you that all four, okay, Sachin Mittal, Deepak Punia, Anjali Chauhan, Ayub sir. So let me tell you, all four, we are from ISC, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. We are all ISC alumni, and from and let me tell you that our feedback, okay, for each of us, our feedback for Gate DA 2025 course, that was excellent. You can talk to our Gate DA students who enrolled in our Gate DA 2025 course. You can talk to them for feedback of Ayub sir, Anjali ma'am, Sachin sir, okay, and me. So you can discuss and you can take your decision.
So this is Gate DA syllabus. Actually, you all know the syllabus, but just for the completion, I put this syllabus here. So linear algebra, probability, statistics, calculus, machine learning, database, Python, data structure algorithm, like that, right? So as you told that all of the syllabus, okay, there is aptitude also. Aptitude we have not written. So these are the technical subjects. So all of the syllabus, including the aptitude, will be taken by for four of us. Okay, aptitude will be taken by Anjali. We will just tell about it in the next subsequent slides. Basically, aptitude will be taken by Anjali, and for example, linear algebra, these things will be taken by me, like that, right? So all of this will be taken by either me, Ayub, Deepak sir, or Anjali.
So a student is in the chat. A student is asking, sir, is there any free trial? So let me tell you that, as I told you, that we provided free Gate DA. We made our Gate DA complete course free for all for 15 days from 1st February to 15th February. But that is over now. Okay. So still, let me tell you that our complete linear algebra, you can see on top. Okay. This complete, this linear algebra, you can see. So let me tell you that complete linear algebra for Gate D, the complete syllabus is free. It is. This is actually free for all. Okay. So on our Go Classes website, you can just visit Go Classes website, or you can download Go Classes app from Android or from iOS store. So you can watch our complete linear algebra for Gate D, the complete syllabus of linear algebra, that is provided free. Okay. So a student is asking for free trial, so you can watch our complete linear algebra for Gate DA for free. You can watch.
So before we proceed, let us just share, the most common feedback that we receive every year. So what we every year, okay, what we receive, let us. It is not just a story of 1 year, 2 year. So we have been, teaching since 4 years at Go Classes, or in other words, like Go Classes has started almost 4 years are there. So every year we used to receive this feedback that I wish I knew about Go Classes 6 months before. Okay, and there are many people in the next slide. I have that.
So you can see there are 30. Actually, when this screenshot was taken, let me tell you. So this screenshot, you can see actually when we took this screenshot, at that time only 11 days has passed. Okay, for this comment. Okay, so this comment, for this comment, when we took the screenshot, so you can see at that time 36 students they upvoted, and basically this comment is basically saying that I wish I knew about Go Classes for CSE 6 months before. Okay, so you can see, and there were many comments. You can see same year. Here you can see there are
Actually,
two upvotes. Okay,
on the
so
next slide, actually, there are many.
yes,
many
there are
comments.
many. You can see that. See this. My biggest regret is that I was not aware of Go Classes when I started my preparation. And then you can see so many, comments. Same, yup, bro, yup. Same also. Now I know what I missed. Read this comment from a student. He's saying that now I know what I missed. Okay, so you can see here also, same here. It saddens me to even imagine what I have missed. All these while, okay, and wasted so much money, time, and energy, okay, elsewhere in some other course. So you can see this type of feedback. This is what we get every year. Okay, this year also, last year also, every year this type of feedback we get. And I hope that we don't get this type of feedback from you. Okay, that is the reason we are just sharing with you that please make your decision wisely. Okay, it's not about money, it's actually about your 1 year of your life. Okay, it's about your career, it's about one whole year of your life. So please make your decision wisely. Okay, what you can do, let me tell you, we are telling you that our complete linear algebra for gate da, that is free. So if you are confused, okay, if you have already determined that okay, I must join go classes, that is fine, you can enroll. But if you are confused, should I go for go classes, should I go for this that coaching, then let me tell you that okay, make your decision wisely. Watch go classes gate linear algebra, go classes linear algebra for gate da, that complete course is free. Watch it, watch our lectures on the go classes gate da youtube channel. There are many lectures which are available for free. Okay, watch them and then you decide, then you make your decision, because it's not about money, it's not about anything else, it's actually about your 1 year of your life. Okay, so after 1 year, because 1 year of a life, like it's a big thing that you should not waste it. Okay, so you should make your decision wisely. And so that's the reason we are sharing this type of feedback we get every year. Okay.
Yeah, so basically, just a second. Actually, by mistake, I missed, I think, artificial intelligence here. So just consider artificial intelligence also in the syllabus. Okay, don't be very happy that AI is not there. AI is actually there. Somehow we missed it. So, okay, so I'm just writing it.
Yes. So this is the complete syllabus. You can see AI, ML, DBMS, warehousing, Python, data structure algorithm, calculus, probability and statistics, and linear algebra. So this is the complete syllabus of GATE DA. And okay, and one more thing. Okay, don't think that, see, by mistake it was just a it was just a typing error, that by mistake we missed writing AI here. But don't worry, the complete AI has been taught very nicely in Go Classes GATE DA, in Go Classes GATE DA course. Okay, it has been taught by Anjali ma'am, and it has gotten excellent feedback. Okay, you can talk to our previous year students, you can talk to them. Actually many of them are going to become topper of gate 2025 exam. So when this result will come, gate da 2025 result, when it will come, let me tell you that we are very confident. Actually we already know, because we talked with our students, and many students are basically saying that sir, either I will get, many students are saying I will get single digit, double digit rank. So basically once the result will come, gate da 2025 result will come, you will see that go classes result will be excellent. It will be like mind blowing result. Okay, I think it will be as good as our gatecse result of the previous 2-3 years. Already gate da is very new. Okay, so that's the reason I'm saying that this year you will check gate da 2025 result of go classes. You just check it, and you will see that it is as good as our gatecse result of the previous year. In top 100 from our course, there will be many students who will be getting single digit rank, double digit rank. So you can talk to them about the feedback of our gate da course.
So many students are commenting, sir, will there be any discount or not? Yes, there will be a discount. It's early bird discount. It's only available by the end of this month. Okay, I think 1st of March till 1st of March it is available, and there is 15% discount, which is like very good discount. Now let me also just tell you the promo code. So the promo code is basically, as you can see here, the 5 is cut, but this is 5.
Actually, okay, you don't even have to apply the promo code. Just visit the Go Classes website or Go Classes app, and there what you can do, just click on Gate DA course add to cart. Okay, when you click on add to cart, this promo code will be automatically applied. So let me tell you, you don't have to apply this will be automatically applied. But the point is, there is 15% discount, and let me tell you, this is only for few students in the beginning. Okay, the students who enroll early, this is only for those students. Also it is valid, this discount, this is only valid till 1st of March. Okay, 1st of March, this is the deadline for this discount. So if you are planning to enroll for Go Classes course, then please enroll before 1st of March, or you can enroll immediately. Okay, you can enroll today itself. So this is the 15% early bird discount. Please don't miss it, and please share with all your friends, all the gate da aspirants who are preparing for gate da 2026. Please share it with all the gate da 2026 aspirants. Please share it with them so that they don't miss it, because this is the early bird discount, 15%, and it will expire on 1st of March. After that it will not be applicable. And so just visit Go Classes website or app, and link you can find in the description. You can enroll for gate da course, You can either enroll for gate DA complete course, or you can enroll for gate DA plus CS combo complete course. So there are some in the chat also, there are some messages. Some students are asking, sir, what about gate CS comma DA combined? A student Narayan is saying, sir, what about gate CS as well as gate DA? So let me tell you, you will find the link in the pinned comment, also in the description. You can visit goclasses website. There you will find gate CS plus DA combo. That combo course is also there. For that also 15% discount will be applicable. You can apply this promo code goclass15. Or if you want to enroll only for gate DA 2026, then for that complete course also this promo code is applicable. So just visit the goclasses website or download the goclasses app and you enroll today itself with this promo code, and please share it with all the gate DA 2026 aspirants so that they don't miss this early bird discount. This is only applicable till 1st of March.
Okay, so now let us tell you what are going to be major changes and updates in our Gate D 2026 complete course. Okay, so first let us just start with the major changes and update. So there will be completely newly taught linear algebra module 2. So basically we have divided linear algebra in two modules. Okay, so LA, let me write in the short form. LA has been divided in module 1 and module 2, two modules. Okay, so this is module 1 and module 2. Module 1 is basically common in CSE and DA both. Okay, this is common in CSE and DA both. Either you are CSE student or DA student, you can watch this. I mean, in CSE also we have put this module 1, and DA also we have put this module 1. Now module 2 is not in CSE, it is only in DA. Okay, and we are going to teach this module. We are going to teach this module completely new this year. Okay, and I will be taking it this particular linear algebra module 2 we will be teaching completely new. Okay, we have already taught last year, and there have been live lectures last year, and it got many good feedbacks. We have also put those videos on YouTube, but still we think that okay, there is some improvement, so that is why we will be teaching it this year completely new. So let us just tell you that see, whenever or wherever we feel that okay, this particular topic should be retaught or this particular subject should be retaught, then we will be teaching it completely new. Okay, so we will not compromise with even a single topic. So if you are thinking, let's suppose this module 2 is a little bit okay, even if little bit improvement is there, that then also we are teaching it completely new.
So let me tell you that where actually this is, it's like the self-conscious. Okay, so whenever we feel that okay, this lecture we can improve, we can make it better, we can provide easy explanation, okay, we can provide more examples, more variations. Basically this particular lecture, this particular topic, we can make it better, we can make it even better, then we will do that. Okay, and that is the reason you can see this is major change in our goclasses Gate DA linear algebra. Okay, in that you can see module 2, as Sachin sir has already said, that module 1, that is common syllabus for Gate CS and Gate DA. So there is some common syllabus, that is what we are calling it module 1, and the module 2 is the syllabus which is only exclusively in Gate DA, not in Gate CS, and which are exclusively in the Gate DA. That is what we are calling it module 2, and we will teach it we will teach it again newly. Okay, either live or pre-recorded. So we will teach it newly this year, either live or pre-recorded. But this module 2, new lectures will be there, new better explanations, okay, more examples, more variations, gate PYQs, okay, basically the better experience.
Yes. So similarly, aptitude will be taught completely new this year, and aptitude will be taken by Anjali. As you know that Anjali is also from ISC. She has also got top rank. So she has got 13 rank. So Anjali will be taking aptitude, and it will be completely newly taught. Okay, so completely new. So Anjali will be basically solving many gate PYQs of all the branches, not just for let's suppose, see, in DA obviously gate PYQs are less. So if I take the reference of CSE, so not just for the CSE, Anjali will be solving gate PYQs of aptitude of almost all the branches. Okay, so and it will be completely newly taught. So as a summary, I mean, in just one slide, if I just have to summarize, then these are the major changes. And now, if you see at the end, okay, what we have written, and there will be many changes in other courses too. So we are just highlighting few changes. So aptitude will be completely newly taught, LA will be newly taught, and similarly there are like many lectures in ML. Okay, many topics in ML will be newly taught. Similarly, there are many topics in probability will be newly taught. There are many topics in stats will be newly taught. Okay, so there will be changes here and there. See, if we feel even a single lecture or even a single topic is there is some room for the improvement, then we will do it. Okay, as a human, obviously we want to improve our course. As a human, you want to improve yourself, right? You're preparing for gate. Why? Because you want to improve your knowledge, or in general you want to improve yourself. Similarly, we will be keep on improving our courses. It's not like that last year course was not good or something like that. See, for 2007 also we will be improving. For 2008 not for 7, for 2027.
2027,
Yeah,
2028.
for 27 also we will be improving. For 28 we will be improving. So we will be keep on improving the course. So this is the major highlight. But yes, there will be improvement in machine learning, there will be improvement in probability, stats, DBMS, every subject, right? DSA, data success algorithm, in Python, in every subject, whichever we feel okay, this particular lecture should be improved or should be retaught, or this particular topic should be taken again, we will do it.
And also let me tell you that if there is any small topic that okay which is not covered in our course, okay, there can be some small topic, then that topic also will be covered. Basically, that is what we are saying, that okay, we are going to bring major changes in our gate DA 2026 course, and this is basically to upgrade our course to make it even better. As Sachin sir is saying, that we will do it next year also and next year also. Okay, so we will keep doing this because there is always possibility for improvement. We will keep doing that.
So let us just tell you the format of the course. That course will be live or recorded or like that, right? So course will be live and recorded both. Few of the topics will be provided you recorded. Few of the topics will be taken live. Okay. So that is why we are calling it live plus recorded course. Let us just also highlight that what will be live and what will be recorded, right? For example, there will be live. There will be live practice sessions for all the subjects. There will be live doubt sessions. There will be live relevant gate PYQs of other branches. We will be also taking the gate PYQs live solution of these gate PYQs of other branches. And let us just tell you, in other branches there is not just CSE. In electronics there is linear algebra, probability, and stats, and calculus is there. I mean, complete engineering mathematics is actually common in almost all the branches. Even in the branches like economics, even in the branches like chemistry, okay, you will be finding one or two questions of mathematics. So wherever we find okay any question of mathematics or any relevant question, so gate mathematics is there gate statics is there. So there are many gate branches where we can find the common questions which are relevant to gate DA. Okay, because gate DA is heavily focused on mathematics, so compared to gate CSE basically. So there will be many questions which we can easily find in for example gate mathematics and gate statics like that. So we will be solving all of those questions whichever we find relevant. Okay, so relevant is important word, which means if the
Which
question
are in
is,
the gate DA syllabus.
yes, which are in the gate DA syllabus, yes. So we will be solving those live. Okay, so these things will be live course content for many subjects. So there will be live course content for many subjects. Like if we think that okay particular topic should be taught, like we should be taking it again, then we will be taking it live or recorded. So there will be recorded course content for many subjects, so there will be live course content for many subjects. Okay.
So some students are saying that voice is breaking. A student is saying that video is buffering. Please let us know, is everything fine? Okay, then we will continue this session. Let us know everything is fine. Video, audio, volume, echo, is everything clear? Is everything fine? Please tell us. Please let us know. Maybe it is maybe it is a small problem at the user end. Just let us know, is everything fine on your end? Let us know.
Okay, so everything is fine, I think.
Voice
Great.
breaking. Students are saying voice breaking.
नहीं, वो सेम स्टूडेंट है.
नहीं, once Deepak, Sahil.
साहिल नहीं तो बोला है.
नहीं.
Okay, once is also saying. But yeah, few other students are saying fine.
Prem Gupta.
Okay, maybe we will be more closer to mic. Maybe that could be the possible reason, I think. So
Yes.
yeah, so we will be more closer to mic. That could be the possible reason. Okay, so
Yes.
yeah.
Yes, sir. So basically concluding our gate DA course, Okay, it will be live or recorded. So let me tell you, it will be a mix of live and recorded. Some lectures will be provided to you in the pre-recorded format, and some lectures will be taken live. As we told you that we will be solving from all the gate branches relevant question, basically the questions which are part of gate da syllabus. Those questions from all the branches of gate exam, gate statistics, gate mathematics, gate electronics, electrical, whatever branch is there, all the gate da relevant questions, standard questions we will be solving in the live sessions. There will be live doubt clearance sessions. In those sessions you can ask all your doubts. Okay, you can turn on your mic and you can talk to the faculty, and you can speak and you can ask your doubts. So there will be live doubt sessions. Okay, there will be live practice sessions to practice standard questions. Okay, so you can see we will be having live sessions for gate pyqs. There will be live sessions for practice questions from the standard resources, from standard books, from the standard top universities. Okay, and you can see that there will be live course content for many subjects. For basically, as I told you, that some lectures, some topics, some subjects will be taught newly. Okay, so for those subjects, either we will provide you pre-recorded lectures, or we will teach them live. Okay, so you can see this basically our course. Let me tell you, this is a mixture of live plus recorded. Some lectures provided in the pre-recorded format, and some lectures will be taught live. There will be regular live classes, let me tell you. Okay, so you can see that there will be live sessions for gate pyq, practice, doubt clearance. So there will be regular live sessions. Okay, every week there will be almost four live sessions every week. Okay, regularly we will be taking the live sessions. Okay, because you can see a lot of practice is there. Actually, students think that in the gate da there is practice questions are very less, because gate da does not have previous year questions. Okay, gate da started from 2024. So let me tell you that gate da practice questions are already there, but these are present in the other branches. Okay, in every branch, actually these topics are present in every branch, like linear algebra, statistics, probability, so
Calculus.
calculus. These four topics you can see, these four topics you can find in almost all the branches, and also other topics also you can find in many branches. So from all the gate branches, different branches, we will take the relevant questions which are part of gate da syllabus, and we will cover them. We will provide you the complete analysis of those questions in the live sessions.
Yes. So now let us just tell you that what are the features of the course. Okay. So once you enroll, then you will be getting. Sorry, there is. I think light is not there in my area. So, but yeah. I'm saying that once you enroll, you will be getting complete Gate DA 2025 course free. In the sense that you will be immediately getting that access. Okay, and whatever is the improvement, we will tell you the schedule, that in this schedule we are going to take Gate 2026 course, but you will be also getting Gate 2025 immediate access. Okay.
Yes. So if you, for example, if you enroll right now, then you will get complete Gate DA course. You will get immediately the complete access. You will get all the subjects: ML, AI, linear algebra, probability, statistics, all the subjects, DBMS, algorithm, Python, everything. So all the subjects, immediate access you will get. Okay, and let me tell you that whenever there will be changes, see one more thing. When we say that okay, we will update our lectures, it does not mean that you cannot watch our old lectures. Okay, as I told you that update will always be there. We will always keep making changes next year also, in 2027, 2028, 2029. Okay, as long as there will be go classes, we will keep updating our content. There is always possibility for improvement, but it does not mean that you cannot watch our old lecture. For example, if you want to watch AI today, okay, in the next 15 days, if you want to finish the AI course, then you can watch AI course, because immediately you will get access for the AI course also. So this is a very important feature, that when you enroll, at that moment immediately you will get our complete Gate DA course. Immediately all the subject, all the concept, all the topic, all everything you will get immediate access. And then you can, if you want to follow your own schedule, if you want to study some subject immediately, like if you want to study AI, as I told you, then you can study it immediately. Okay, again, very important point. Some students might be thinking, sir, this particular lecture you will teach it again, so should I watch this lecture or should I wait for the new lecture? So let me tell you, you can watch the old lecture also. There is no problem with the old lecture, but the new lecture basically means that okay, we can make the explanation more easier to understand. Okay, but it does not mean that our old lectures are, I can say, you cannot watch. So you can watch our old lectures immediately access you will get, and whenever there will be changes, immediately those changes will be reflected to you. Okay, whenever there will be new live class, some
Right.
new pre-recorded lecture, some new weekly quiz, everything immediately those will be reflected in your course.
Yes. So this is like we are using a word improved. So improved doubt solving. This is a word that we are using compared to the last year. So we will be improving our doubt solving this year, and for that we already have a plan. So along with our faculties, we are going to hire few gate 2025 gate DA toppers, and then they will be resolving your doubts. Okay, along with us, which are faculties, there will be toppers from gate DA 2025 examination, and they will be also resolving your doubts. So complete experience of your doubt solving will be improved, and we will make sure that all of your doubts are answered. Okay,
Yes.
so this is the step that we are taking
So
this year.
that is the reason we are calling it improved doubt solving. Okay, much better doubt solving. So we have private Telegram group. Let me tell you that once you enroll for our Gate DA course, then immediately you can join our private Telegram group, and in that group our faculties are there. Okay, I am there, Sachin sir is there, Ayub sir is there, Anjali ma'am is there, and we also we are basically we are hiring our Gate DA 2025 toppers. Okay, because we are expecting many toppers in single digit and double digit ranks, and those students will be throughout your preparation, those toppers and the faculty, all the four faculty members and also our toppers of Gate DA, they will be answering all your doubts. Okay, so basically we don't want any doubt to go unanswered. Whenever you have any doubt, you just feel free to ask it in our private Telegram group, and immediately your doubt will be answered. Okay, either by the faculty members or by our Gate DA toppers, top 100 rankers. Okay, by them. So you can see for doubt solution, we have private Telegram group. So once you enroll in our course, then what you need to do, after enrolling the course, please send a mail to us to get added in the private Telegram group. Okay, this is very important. Once you enroll in the course, then please send a mail to us. Our email ID you can find in the description, in the pinned comment. We will share our email ID, that is contact@goclasses.in. You can find it in the pinned comment. So after enrolling the course, you just send a mail to us, and we will add you in the private Telegram group, where you can discuss all your doubts with the faculty and our Gate DA toppers. Also in the live sessions, as I told you, there will be doubt sessions which will be live doubt sessions will be there, where you can discuss all your doubts with the faculty by turning on your mic. Okay, so with mic on, you can speak and you can talk to the faculty, you can ask all your doubts. Okay, also on the Gate Flow website, you can discuss your doubts, you can resolve your doubts. Also, you can send personal Telegram messages also to the faculty, to the toppers. You can send personal Telegram messages also, but my suggestion is that you prefer asking the doubts in the group. Okay, in the private Telegram group, because when you ask your doubt in the private Telegram group, then the possibility of getting immediate reply, that is very high. Okay, because there will be, all the faculties, all the toppers will be there, all the students will be there. So there will be a community, basically a community which is preparing for Gate 2026. Okay, so that is a journey. In that journey, there are many people with you. So whenever you will be asking your doubt in the private Telegram group, almost immediately your doubt will be answered. Okay.
So, like in the features, if we continue, then one of the very important feature, which is often like overlooked, I can say, that is quality learning. So, not just us, if you are enrolling in any coaching, then this should be the feature. Okay, this should be one of the topmost feature, that there should not be any rote learning, and there should be quality learning. And for Go classes, we can say this is our like if we use that word USP, which is unique selling point. So this is our USP. Like we stand for that. So there will be, all the concepts will be backed by proof, or there will be some intuition of either geometric intuition or the mathematical intuition will be there for all the topics, all the concepts. Like if you see our lectures, like machine learning lectures or linear algebra lectures, probability lectures, yeah, or any other subject lecture, you will get to know that, okay, even for the mathematical things, we have the intuition, we have the proof for that, right? Either geometric proof or mathematical proof is there. So quality learning is our main motto, is our main focus, we can say. So there will not be any rote learning. The quality learning is the is our main focus.
Also, there is no prerequisite required. So you can, let me tell you that we start our courses from the basics, from very scratch. Okay, no prerequisite knowledge is required that okay you need to know this that before watching our lectures. No, each and every course, whether it is AI, ML, LA, probability, algorithm, data structure, DBMS, each and every course, let me tell you, that starts from the basics, from very basics, from very fundamentals. We do not assume anything. We even teach you, because calculus is in the syllabus, so that is used in the complete gate DA course, that is used. So let me tell you, we start from the very basic concepts of calculus, like derivatives, okay,
Limits.
derivation, limits, okay, all the basic concepts are taught. So in the sequence we go from the basics, we start, and then we go till the till the advanced topics, we in depth. Okay, all the topics are taught in depth with complete understanding, clear understanding, and correct understanding. So each topic you will study from the basics. So there is no prerequisite required. So if you do not know anything, assume that you do not know anything about ML. You don't even know M of ML. If you don't know anything in the AI, you don't even know the syllabus of AI, the names of the topics in AI. If you do not know anything in any course, then also you can start. We will teach you from the basics. Each and every concept, each and every point will be taught you from the basics. Basically, there will be a flow from basic to the advanced and in depth. All the concepts will be taught in depth. There is no rote learning in Go classes.
Yes, so there will be live sessions, as we told you. There will be live sessions for practice, for concepts. Okay, for concepts there will be live session. There will be live session for gate PYQs of other branches. Okay, gate PYQs of other branches which are relevant of other branches. For doubts, there will be live sessions. For practice, there will be live sessions. For concepts, there will be live sessions. So there will be live sessions for many things, and there will be frequent live sessions, like 3 to 4 live sessions every week. Okay, and don't worry, like you will not be having enough time to enjoy, so we will keep you engaged. Okay, we will be providing you enough lectures so that you do not have you do not have extra time. Okay, I mean, we will be having work life balance. Okay, don't worry, like 4 to 5 hours of daily lectures you can expect, but not more than that. Okay, or neither less than that. So on an average 4 hours to 5 hours of lectures you can expect. So those lectures, as I'm saying, either they will be live or recorded. Okay.
Also, we will provide you many practice sets in every course. ML, AI, in every course there will be many practice set, homework, and weekly quizzes. That is the favorite part of Go classes students. Basically, we provide many weekly quizzes for almost all the topics in every subject. In every subject, for every small topic also you will find weekly quizzes. So you can see this weekly quizzes. These are actually very famous Go classes weekly quizzes. These are almost, I can say, favorite of all the students who enroll in Go classes. Okay, basically regularly every week 1 or 2 weekly quizzes we provide for almost all the topics of all the subjects. So you can see these are our gate DA 2025 weekly quizzes. Okay, here you can see that we started from almost all the concepts. You can see we started from, you can see series, modular arithmetic, and linear algebra, you can see, and so on.
Yes. So actually, last year we have provided these weekly quizzes. I mean, this is the list of last year. Now we will be adding many more. You can say more than double weekly quizzes we will be adding. Last year we have solved more than 300 questions in machine learning in the class itself, or maybe around 400 questions. But there was lack in the weekly quizzes. Yes, like we agree that there were I think one or zero weekly quizzes for machine learning. But this year we will be providing many weekly quizzes for machine learning also, or for all the subjects which we have not provided last year. So there will be many more weekly quizzes compared to last year. Okay.
Also, there will be aptitude monthly quizzes. So you can see last year we provided 3 aptitude quizzes, and each of these quizzes they have 30 questions each. So you can see 3 monthly quizzes we provided for aptitude. This year there will be many more, because as I told you that Anjali ma'am will be teaching you complete aptitude from beginning. Okay, so complete aptitude will be taught newly this year, as we told you, okay, by Anjali ma'am, and she will be basically teaching you all the concepts, and there will be many weekly quizzes for each topic. For each small topic also there will be weekly quiz. Okay, so in the aptitude also, let me tell you, because there are 15 marks from the aptitude, and so though, to make sure that these 15 marks you do not lose, okay, so to make sure that you do not even lose 1 mark in the aptitude, that is the reason we are stressing so much on aptitude this year. Okay, complete aptitude from beginning till the end, complete aptitude, we will teach it again Anjali ma'am will teach you again, and there will be weekly quizzes for every topic that is taught.
Yes. So in Gate 2025 also we have done it, and yeah, then there will be more lectures in 2025 course itself. So let us just also tell you that in 26 also we will be having optional projects. So let us just brief about it. So there will be 5 mini and 5 major projects, but all of these will be optional. So this is optional and free for all enrolled students. Okay, these are only for enrolled students, right? So GateDA does not directly require these projects, but they will help you to understand machine learning algorithms better. So that is why we will be having it. These projects will be accessible only to the enrolled students. So again, we are emphasizing on the same point that these projects will be only accessible to the enrolled students, to the students which are complete course enrolled. Okay, you can complete these projects after GateDA 2026 exam or along with us. So basically, let me tell you, last year we have conducted 10 lectures. Okay, 10 practical ML lectures.
This is what we have done last year, okay, for
Yes.
gate da 2025 enrolled students. So this we have done so far, and there is much more to do, because as we are saying that after the gate d exam, when the gate d exam will be over, then also there will be some projects.
Yes. So so last year 10 practical ML lectures we have conducted, and now upcoming, I can say in the last year itself there will be more projects that we will be solving, and you will also be, if you are last year student, then you will also be having the access of those particular lectures of those projects. So basically what I'm trying to say here is that these lectures are optional. These lectures does not directly help you to get top rank in gate, but if you want to build your resume better, or if you want to understand machine learning algorithms better, then you can attend these lectures either with us or after gate exam. Okay.
So yes,
Right.
actually I want to stress on this point. If your target is to get a top rank in the gate da, okay, if that is your first target, like many students, they have this clear target that, okay, first I need to get the top rank in the gate da, because after the gate d exam, before you go for your mtech, there will be almost 6 months. Your mtech will start from 1st of August, okay, and your gate d exam, that will be over in the first or second week of February. So you can see February, March, April, May, June, July. There will be 6 months after the gate d exam. Before you join your mtech, there will be 6 months in between, okay, and that is the best time to do these projects. That is the reason we are writing it optional, okay. So because first, we want that your first focus should be on getting the top rank in the gate da. That should be your first priority. First you get the top rank in the gate da, and then in the next 6 months after the gate d exam, in the next 6 months you can do these projects, okay. Also let me tell you that if your top priority is knowledge and projects, for example, if you are in the college and your top priority is projects, ML projects in your semester, in your in college, you need to do projects, okay. So if that is the case, then you can do projects along with us, okay. As we already told you that so far you can see 10 practical ML lectures have been taken, okay, for projects, and you can see that so overall you just decide what is your top priority, okay. Do you want gate da rank first, okay, top gate rank first, and then you can do the, for the next 6 months you can do the projects? Or if you are in the college, if you need to do project, if you need to submit project in the college, okay, or if you are already working in some industry, and let's assume that you want to you want to do project, so basically then in that case you can do gate da preparation along with project parallelly, okay. But if your target is gate da top rank, if that is your clear target, then you can do these projects after the gate d exam. There will be 6 months you can do these projects. First you get the top rank in the gate d exam.
Right. So in Gate DA, this is common question that a student asks, that from where a student should practice, because exam is comparatively new. There has been only 2 years since this exam has been released. So from where a student should practice. So let us just emphasis on this point. So Go classes lectures contains lots of quality questions. For example, just machine learning subject has more than 350 questions with solutions in the lectures. Okay, so it is just one subject, and similarly in all the subjects we have many questions. So more than 350 questions we have solved in just one subject, machine learning, and obviously we will be adding more questions in our lectures. So So overall in the complete lectures there will be around 1000 or even more than 1000 questions will be there in the lectures itself only. Okay, and then there will be homework, practice questions, there are weekly quizzes, right? As we told that this year we will be having much more weekly quizzes compared to last year. Last year itself it was around 25 26 exactly, I don't remember the number, but yeah, it was around 25 26. So this year it will be even more than 60 70. You can like, we don't have exact number, but you can consider it is around 60 70. And each weekly quiz contains, let's suppose it is 60 or 65, and each weekly quiz contains almost 15 questions on an average. Then there will be 900 questions from weekly quizzes you will be getting. More than see, this is just underestimate we are doing. Okay, just lower
Lower
bound,
bound.
just lower bound, the 900 questions in the weekly quizzes. Okay, and similarly 1000 questions, this again, these are the lower bound. We are telling you 1000 questions in lectures.
Because 350 questions have already been taken. Let me tell you, at this moment in our machine learning lectures, in ML lectures, 350 standard questions with solutions have been covered in our ML lectures. That is a huge thing. In machine learning ML, students, they want standard questions because
Right.
there is shortage of quality questions in ML. So that is the reason you can see in ML course, in the complete ML course, at this moment, at this present moment, let me tell you, in our ML course there are more than 350 standard questions with complete analysis with solution. That is in the lectures. Okay, when you are watching the lectures, you are solving 350 questions of ML. But actually this year, as we are saying that this year we will improve, so we will add more questions in the lectures. And there will be weekly quizzes, homework, practice set, test series, gate pyq. Okay, if you combine all of them, then I don't think that you even need any more practice.
Yes. So, and gate PYQs of other branches, as we have already emphasis on this, that gate PYQs of other branches will be solved live. Okay, and let me also talk about little bit about the test series. In test series also we have many tests. So even for the single topic, for example, see, in machine learning we have 10 tests. Okay, 10 topic wise tests for machine learning. So 10 tests mean, even for linear regression we have just one test, for logistic regression we have just one test. Okay, for SVM I think we have a separate test. For even small topics, okay, for I think clustering we have two tests or one test. I think two tests are there for clustering. Or neural network there is one test. So even for the small topics we have test in machine learning. Similarly for other subjects, like for example for linear algebra there are like there is a separate test for projection. Okay, for projection matrix there is a separate test. There is separate test in probability for small topics. And we have even launched 7 AIMTs last year. Okay, 7 AIMTs, and which are containing top quality questions, and these AMTs were attempted by many people. So last year we had AMT, means all India mock test, which are free actually for everyone. So last year we had 7 AMTs. So what we are trying to say is that we have many full length, many topic wise, many subject wise tests will be there. And apart from that, many weekly quizzes will be there, practice set, homework will be there, and there will be questions which we will be solving live. Okay, and we will be also solving questions from other branches, gate other branches which are relevant to gate DA. So you will not be having any lack of questions.
Yes, there will be no shortage of questions. You at any moment, at any point, you don't even have to think that okay, from where to practice the questions, because a lot of questions we are going to provide you in our complete course. Okay. Also, one thing I want to tell you, this is the important point, that test series is, you need to enroll it separately. Okay, all other things are part of our course. So when you enroll for gate DA complete course, you will be getting weekly quizzes complimentary for free. You will be getting gate previous year question video solutions, gate pyq video solutions for free. Okay, you will be getting homework, practice set, each and everything will be free for you. Okay, that is part of our course, that is included in the course. So when you enroll for gate DA course, each and everything you are going to get except test series. Test series you need to enroll separately, but the fees will be very less. Okay, it will be minimal. Okay, so don't worry, it will not be very expensive. It will be minimal fees for test series. Test series you need to enroll separately.
Yes. So now let us just reveal monthly subject sequence or the schedule of the course. So we are starting the course. We will be telling the starting date. So you can say that we are starting in the March. Like we will be even starting at 27. We will tell you the dates in just few slides, after the few slides. But yeah, considering that it's almost the month end, so we are saying that we are starting at March. In March we will be taking linear algebra, then probability and statistics, and then calculus. And then in June we will be having artificial intelligence majorly. But you notice here that LA plus prop plus calculus also we have written in June. So which means in June, along with the artificial intelligence, along with these subjects, we will be having many questions either from LA, sometimes from calculus, sometimes from probability. We will be having many questions from these subjects. Now you can see that dedicatedly, there have been 4 months devoted for these subjects. Yes, artificial intelligence will be there, but yes, LA, prob, and calculus, these three subjects are spanning over 4 months, and there is a reason behind it. Because if you see this year paper or maybe last year paper, or if you see the syllabus, then the syllabus is heavily dominated, or you can say the syllabus is having a major portion from these three subjects. So that is why we want to have a good emphasis, and we want to make sure that you have enough practice for these three subjects. So that is why we are starting with this, because these are, you can say, basic building block for machine learning, or basic building block for the gate DA complete course. So that is why we are starting with these mathematical subjects, and we will be taking 4 months to complete just three subjects. Yes, there will be four subjects in the 4 months, because artificial intelligence will also be there. But with respect to these four subjects, we will take with respect to these three subjects, we will be taking 4 months. Okay.
Actually, you can notice one thing from this, that our course, our GATE DA course is mathematical heavy, because already GATE DA exam is mathematical heavy. If you ask anyone who has attempted GATE DA 2025 exam, they will tell you that it was all about mathematics. Okay, almost all the questions were basically mathematic based. So already you can see GATE DA, that is just another I can say representation of mathematics. Okay, that is all about mathematics. That is the reason we are spending so much time only on mathematics, linear algebra, probability, statistics, and calculus. So these four things, these four topics, we are going to basically cover in the 4 months, and that is a huge thing. Basically, we want to make you expert in the mathematics. Okay, whenever you see a meme, Sachin, there are meme that mathematics, and so ultimately that is like machine learning. So
I have seen.
yeah, so when you just pull the mask of machine learning, there is mathematics. So you can see that this type of meme also you have seen, and that is true. So in gate da, ml, ai, in gate da, let me tell you, the most important part is mathematics, and that is the reason we want you to get expert. We want you to become expert of mathematics. We want you to do a lot of practice, lots of practice. So much practice that you feel okay sir, itni bahut hai, itni काफी है, बस थक गए, अब थक गए, अब आने लग गया पूरा. Okay, whatever variation sir you give us, we can handle it. Okay, so that much mathematics, that much practice you should do. That is the reason you can see that we are spending a lot of time on the mathematics to make sure that your mathematical foundations are strong. And in the GATE DA 2025 exam, 2024 exam, there are many questions from these topics: linear algebra, probability, statistics, and calculus. Majority of the questions are from this mathematical part. Okay, and
Right.
you can see in July we are covering database and warehousing. In the month of August and September, we are covering machine learning and data structure algorithm and Python.
Yes. So after these subjects, we are, as Deepak told, that we will be taking DBMS and warehousing. Then machine learning, we will be taking in August and September, and we will be making sure that almost all the syllabus is completed by the end of September. Okay. Yeah. So this year we will be requesting our toppers, once the result is out, or maybe once the response sheet is out, we will be getting to know that who are going to be the toppers, right? Then we will be requesting our toppers to share their notes, just like Gate CSE. In Gate CSE also we have shared our toppers notes. Similarly here also we will be sharing toppers notes, handwritten notes, whoever is going to provide. Okay, if they have written the notes, then we will be providing those notes with to you.
These toppers handwritten notes will be very helpful for you, just in case if you don't want to make your own notes, then what you can do, you can use toppers handwritten notes. Okay, so our GATE DA 2025 toppers, we are going to request them to share their notes of goclasses course, goclasses GATE DA course. They have written their notes, and those notes we will provide you, and you can use them. If you want to write your own notes, that is very good. Okay, but if you do not have enough time, if you if you don't want to write your own notes, then in that case you can use toppers handwritten notes.
Yes. So all gate PYQs video solutions will be there with complete analysis. And this is see, for gate DA we do not have enough gate PYQs. Still, this is for the completion that for gate DA we will be taking all gate PYQs because these are relevant. But from other branches also, okay, like from gate mechanical, from electrical, electronics, or from other branches, gate mathematics, gate statics, from other branches also we will be taking relevant gate PYQs and we will be having them live video solution.
Even gate physics has linear algebra and
Right.
probability. These topics are available in all the gate branches. These topics you will find linear algebra, calculus, probability, statistics. These you can find in almost all the gate branches. So this is what we are going to do, that we are going to provide you gate PYQs video solution, gate PYQs of all the branches. Okay, the relevant questions which are in the gate DA syllabus. Okay, so those relevant questions from all the gate DA branches, sorry, from all the gate branches, we are going to solve with complete analysis. This is very important, that the question will be solved with the complete analysis of the question, like why this option is correct, why this option is not correct, and everything. Okay, what are the variations possible in future, what variations they can ask you in this question. Okay, so each and everything, each and every part of the question, each and every aspect of the question we will discuss with you. So that is called complete analysis of each and every gate PYQ of all the branches.
Yes.
Also, yes.
So once our syllabus is complete, after syllabus completion, we will be having revision and marathon. So this year we have enough time, okay. And see, as you can see that after September, till the end of September, most probably our syllabus will be completed. And once the syllabus is completed, then we will be having revision and marathons. So revision will be there for the subjects like which you need. For example, if you feel that okay, machine learning revision should be there, then we will be having machine learning AI revision, or maybe other subject whichever is in the demand. Okay, and then we will be having marathons also for the subjects, and this all will be done once the syllabus is complete. And we will also be having last year also we had this mentorship, and I think in every 2 months we had, the frequency was in every 2 months, but this year we will be increasing the frequency and we will be having monthly guidance, okay, for mentorship and support. So this is a live session. These are going to be the live session. So if you have any non-technical doubt, like for example that you want to
How to do revision,
yes.
how to write notes, okay, basically anything. If you want to talk to the gate DA toppers, we will invite our gate DA toppers. We will be there, our gate DA toppers, we will invite. You can talk to them that okay, how did you do this, how did you do that, how did you manage gate exam with your
Right.
placement, how did you manage job with gate exam. So basically any type of doubt that you have, you can directly talk to the topper. Okay, gate DA topper, go classes gate DA course enrolled students who will become the gate DA 2025 toppers. You can directly talk to them in the mentorship and guidance sessions.
So why join Go classes? So if you are really wondering this question, then let us just answer this. That for correct, clear, and complete understanding, and this actually term was coined by Deepak. So Deepak call it 3C. Okay. So first C is correct, clear, and complete understanding. If you want correct, clear, and complete understanding of every concept of every topic, then you should consider joining Go classes. And if you really want to understand the concept, okay, with the intuition could be geometric intuition or the mathematical intuition. But if you want to understand the concept with the intuition, then you should join Go classes.
Actually, let me tell you about these 3C. Correct understanding, that actually basically means that you should not have any misconception. Okay, you should not have any single misconception. That is the reason what we do, whatever we teach you from the standard resources, and also we provide you the screenshot of the standard resource in our annotated notes. So whenever you will check our annotated notes, whatever we are teaching you, any definition, any theorem, any formula, anything, any table, any property, whatever we teach you, then for whatever we teach, we put the screenshot of the standard books of the standard university, of the top universities. We put the screenshot in the annotated notes, so that you can be very sure that whatever you are learning from the standard resources, and these are not misconception. So that is what I call correct understanding, that there should be no misconception. Clear understanding, that simply means that you should not have any vague understanding. Sometimes what people do, they solve the question by vague understanding, like for example there are 4 options and they know that okay, this option A is correct. Now they know that okay, option A is correct, so they
Right.
will tick it, but they don't know what about option B, C, D. Okay, so sometimes, and sometimes what they do in the question, they will put the value of n. Okay, n equal to 2 they will put, and they will eliminate the options and they will move on. So
Right.
that is what we call vague understanding. That is basically not clear understanding. So clear understanding you should have. Okay, whatever you, whenever you are solving a question, then you should know why this option is correct, why these options are wrong. Okay, so it should not happen that okay, I know that option B is correct, I don't know anything about option ACD. Okay, I know option B is correct, so I tick it and I move on to the next question, and I'm thinking that okay, I have solved this question. No, you did not solve that question. Okay, you are basically, you are lying to yourself. Okay, you did not solve that question. So remember, you should have clear understanding why this option is correct and why these options are wrong. Also, what about the complete understanding? That simply means if in the future some variation comes, for that question some new variation comes. Okay, what are the variations, all the possible variations in this question, if they do this, if they do that, if they ask this, if they ask that. So basically in the future any variation from that question is possible, that we will discuss. Okay, so this is how you should understand each and every concept. You can see if this type of understanding you have for every concept, for every question that you solve, if this is how you solve the question with complete analysis, then definitely you will get the top rank. Else who will get the top rank? If you are having correct, clear and complete understanding of every concept, then definitely you will become the topper.
And why not joining Go classes, or why not join Go classes, is because probably you just want to buy hard formulas, you just want to mug up few theorems, and you don't want complete understanding. And if you're just happy with rote learning, and see, this is like last point is a little important. I can say that if you just want to rely on your luck for the AG paper, like some aspirants I have seen, they assume for the entire year, they assume that okay, paper will be easy, and they prepare in that way only. They just prepare from the basic understanding. They do not go in the depth. They do not understand concept fully. They just prepare easy questions, easy concepts like that, and then they just depend on their luck that if the paper is easy, then they will do good. So actually for the entire year they have this assumption. So if you really want to rely upon your luck that okay, if there's going to be easy paper, then you can solve, and if there's a tough paper, then probably you will repeat for the next year. If that is the case, then probably you should not join Go classes.
Actually, if you want to study only on the surface level, if you don't want to go in depth of the concepts, okay, if you don't want to really understand the concepts, if you just want to do the rote learning memorization, okay, in Three Idiots there is a dialogue, प्रूफ नहीं चाहिए, हम याद कर लेंगे, मतलब नहीं
हाँ
चाहिए.
हाँ
ओके,
हाँ,
मतलब नहीं चाहिए
कि हम
दुबे
याद
जी,
कर लें,
हम
हाँ
याद
याद
कर
कर
लेंगे.
लेंगे.
तो इफ यू आर इन दैट कैटेगरी, दैट ओके, कि समझने की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं रट लूंगा. If you are fan of memorization, if you are fan of rote learning, then definitely I can say that Go classes is not the place for you, because in Go classes whatever we teach, every theorem, definition, formula, every table properties, everything we teach you in depth. Okay, so basically if you are not fan of memorization, if you are not fan of rote learning, then Go classes is for you. Okay, and let me also tell you that if you study on the surface level, then only the easy questions you will be able to solve. And let me tell you, in gate DA 2025, you can ask any gate D aspirant in gate DA 2025, that was mathematical heavy paper. Okay, a lot of questions, almost all the questions they needed mathematics. Okay, so if you want to be ready for each and every type of paper, next year maybe easy paper will come, maybe moderate, maybe conceptual, maybe hard, maybe tricky,
Right.
any type of question can come. Okay, no one knows, not a single person knows what type of paper they will ask you next year. So if you want to be ready for any type of exam, any type of paper, then Go classes is for you.
So what you will be getting from the course, definitely your analytical skills will be improved, because we will be solving each question, each concept with the depth. So you will be able to think more. Okay, given a new question, you will be able to think what are the possibilities of the concept that you should be applying on this question. So you will be having improved analytical skills. There will be in-depth subject knowledge, and definitely there will be top gate rank. If you obviously terms and conditions are also apply. It is not just by joining the course, it is also by preparing with us. Okay, if
Yes.
you just join the course, then we obviously do not guarantee, because no one can guarantee these things.
No one can guarantee the top rank, but you can increase your possibility to get the top rank. Okay, it is very clear. No one knows that okay, they will get a top rank. But the gate exam is not like a ludo, it is not a gamble. Okay, it is all about your preparation, how good you prepare. Okay, so if you do, if you are doing a very nice preparation, if you are understanding all the concepts, with a clear understanding, if you are solving all the questions with complete analysis, then definitely you will become the topper. There will be 65 questions next year, and in those 65 questions, most of the questions you will be solving. How a student who did not prepare nicely, how can that student solve the 65 questions, right? So it's remember, gate exam is not about your luck, it is all about your preparation, how good you prepare. Okay, so basically what we will do from our side, what we will provide you, we will provide you complete analysis of all the questions that we solve. We will provide you every concept, we will teach you in depth. Okay, with to improve your analytical skills, we will provide you complete and clear understanding of all the concepts. So this is what we will provide you. Now you need to put your effort. Okay, you need to stay consistent, you need to stay energetic, you need to believe in yourself that you can do this, and you need to put consistent effort till the gate exam. If you can do that, okay, then our effort plus your effort, okay, then together we can achieve the top gate rank. And our expectations from our students, so let us tell you that this is what we are expecting from you. We have so far we have told what we will be providing you, what we have to offer. Okay, each and everything we told you. Okay, but now let us talk about you, what we are expecting from you. So we expect you to be consistent. Consistency is the key, and you may have heard it many times, for last thousands of years people are saying consistency is the key, consistency is the key. Okay, let me tell you, this statement is definitely true. That is the reason this is a quote. This is so, for a long time people are saying consistency is the key. So you should be consistent with your study. It should not happen that, okay, for few days you study, then for few days you waste it, then for few days you study, then few days you waste. Don't do that. Okay, please remain consistent and follow our course. Okay, attempt the weekly quizzes, follow our lectures, watch our lectures, solve the homework, solve the practice set, attempt the weekly quizzes on time, and also provide regular feedback for our course to make it better, to make your learning experience better.
So how to enroll? Like if you want to enroll, you can visit our website. Okay.
Or you can visit our app. So you can download our
Yes.
app, or you can visit our website to enroll. From website also you can enroll. From the Go Classes Android or iOS app also you can enroll. You can enroll from any of them.
Yes. So on the website, you will be having options like Gate CAC, Gate D, or combo. So I'm assuming that you're Gate DA student. So you can either enroll for Gate DA if you want to, or if you want, then you can enroll for CAC and DA both. Okay, that is up to you. Like if you want only DA, then you can enroll for DA only, and if you want CAC and DA both, then you can enroll for both. So you
Or
can,
or you can click here,
yeah,
courses.
you can click on this courses. And as we told that currently there is 15% off using early bird discount till 1st of March. Okay, 15% off is there currently. So you can make use of this, right?
Yes, till 1st of March. Remember, this 15% discount is available till 1st of March. So please don't miss it. And also please share it with all the GATE DA 2026 aspirant. Any student who is preparing for GATE DA 2026 or 2027, please share it with all those students, so that they don't miss this 15% early bird discount. Please don't miss it. Enroll right now.
So this is our app. Now, if you are on Android or iOS, you can definitely search for Go Classes. Okay, just search the word Go Classes, and then you will be getting that app either on the Play Store or on the App Store. Okay.
Yes, just search Go Classes. We have app on Android also on the iOS. You can find our public Telegram group. The link you can find in the description. So please check out the description, the pinned comment. Please check out the pinned comment. You will find the public Telegram group link in the description, also in the pinned comment.
Okay, if you have any question, then you can just let us know in the comments. We will have a discussion. So once the session end, you can just let us know whatever the question that you have. If you are watching it now, you can let us know now. If you are watching it later on, then you can just put a comment once this live stream end.
Yes. So whatever doubt you have, okay, related to anything, if you have any query, any doubt, any question, any suggestion, anything, any request, anything, if you have to say to us, please put a comment. We will read your comment and we will reply to it. Okay. So please put a comment. So thank you everyone. We are looking forward to see you all in our GATE DA 2026 journey. Okay. Together we will prepare in the best way, and let's top the GATE DA 2026 exam. Let me quickly discuss some important points. Okay, some very final important points. Let me discuss. Students are asking when the orientation session will be there. So let me tell you that orientation session we will conduct on 26th February at 9 p.m. night. Okay, 9 p.m. 26th February. Many students are asking when the orientation session will be there for GATE DA 2026. So please note the date, that is 26th February. And remember, this orientation session, this will be only available for our enrolled student. So please enroll before this orientation session to join this orientation session live, and you can talk to us and you can ask all your doubts live. If you want to join Go Classes Gate DA orientation session live, then please enroll before this orientation session starts. Okay, so this is the date for orientation session. Before that, you enroll. Daily schedule we will provide you in the orientation session. Every day what you need to study, how much you need to study, which lecture you need to watch. So basically the monthly schedule we have already provided to you in this session. Already the monthly schedule has been provided, but the daily schedule we will provide you in the orientation session. We will discuss in the orientation session. So overall, this is the conclusion, that our GATE DA course is live plus pre-recorded. Some lectures will be taught live, some lectures will be provided to you in the pre-recorded format.
And you will get all subjects, all lectures of GATE DA 2025 package immediately when you enroll. Okay, so you don't have to wait. The moment you enroll, immediately after that you will be getting our GATE DA 2025 package, which contains all the subjects. Okay, so if there is any improvement, or if there is any addition, that will be reflected, but you will also be getting GATE DA 2025 package.
Yes.
Okay.
See, if you are a repeater, let's assume, and you want to follow your own schedule, if you want to follow your own subject sequence, you want to start with AI, you want to start with ML. Okay, so if you are a repeater and if you want to follow your own strategy, your own schedule, your own subject sequence, that you can do, because when you enroll, immediately you will get our complete GATE DA complete course. You will get immediately all the subject, all the lectures, everything you will get immediately. So if you want to follow your own schedule, your own subject sequence, that also you can do. For example, if you are a repeater, then maybe you want to follow your own subject sequence, that is fine, you can do that. So you can see students can use our course as self-paced, or they can follow the schedule with us. Okay, as I told you that in the orientation session we will discuss the daily schedule. Every day what you need to study, what you need to watch, which lecture to watch, so everything we will discuss in the orientation session. If you want to follow, for example, for the first time, if you are preparing for GATE D exam, if you are a fresher, if you are not a repeater, and for the first time if you are preparing, and let's assume, then in that case, maybe most probably you will follow our schedule, you will like to follow our schedule. So either if you are a repeater, you can use our course in the self-paced way, or if you are a fresher, then you can follow our schedule with us. Okay, you can move with us, you can walk with us, and you can prepare for the GATE DA 2026 in the best way. As we told you that there will be 3 to 4 live sessions every week for doubts, practice, concepts, and GATE PYQs. Okay, and there was a comment actually, Sachin, a student was saying that, sir, for job people, people who are doing job, for them, please keep the live session timing appropriate. So that is the reason you can see we are keeping the live sessions in the evening at 7:30 p.m. so that if you are preparing with job, if you are preparing with college, then in every case this timing is suitable for almost all the students, whether you are preparing with job or whether you are preparing with college. So you can see this is the timing for our live sessions. Every week there will be 3 to 4 live sessions for doubts, practice, GATE PYQs, and concepts. And this live session will be conducted at 7:30 p.m. The recording of the live session will also be available for you. So if you miss the live session, do not worry. The recording will be available to you, so you can watch the video in the recorded format also. Okay. So whatever you prefer. If you want to join live session, you can join live session. If you want to watch the recorded session, you can watch the recorded lecture. So everything is available. All the facilities are there. We have private Telegram groups. So after you enroll, please send a mail to us to join the private Telegram groups. Okay, this is very important. Once you enroll in our GATE DA course, please send a mail and we will add you in the Go Classes GATE DA private Telegram groups. So please enroll now. Link you can find in the description, in the pinned comment. Please check out the pinned comment. Every link, everything is available there. If you want to enroll for GATE CS plus DA combined course, combo course, that also you can do. The link you can find in the description. So this combo package also you can take if you want to prepare for both GATE CS or DA combined. If you want to prepare, then that also, this package also you can enroll. So this combo course link also you can find in the description. So you can see this is our GATE CS plus DA complete course combo. Okay, this link you can find in the description and you can enroll this. If there is any doubt, any query, any suggestion, anything, then please put a comment under this video or send a mail to us. This is our email ID, contact@goclasses.in. You can find this in the pinned comment also. But let me tell you that under this video you can put your comment if you have any doubt, any query, suggestion, request, anything. If you want to talk to us, if you want to let us know anything, if you want to share your feedback, if you want to share your query, please put a comment under this video. We will reply. Or you can send a mail to us, contact@goclasses.in. This is an iconic photo. You can see these are our students who joined ISC Bangalore in 2023.
Yeah, so this is one nice photo. So we keep it generally in every good session, good or some some big sessions like launch session or something like that, because this particular photo is very close to our heart, because this is actually looking very nice. So these all are our Go classes enrolled student who has gotten ISC or who has taken admission to ISC, and these are just few of them. So there have been, I think, many
Many more,
yeah.
almost 15.
Yes.
Yes.
So in 2023, there were almost 15 students who have joined ISC, who are Go classes student. So out of those 15 students, some of those students were present at that particular time, and they have clicked a picture. So this is a picture that we are just showing to you. The same picture is here. So we hope that you all are excited, just like us. So just let us know if you are excited in the comment, and we will be having a chat. Okay, as Deepak told that if you have any doubt, any suggestion, and if you just want to say even hi, hello, then also you can put a comment, and then we will be replying. So whatever discussion you want to do, just let us know in the comments. We will be replying. Okay, so let's have a chat in comments. Okay. Also, let me tell you, some students were asking, sir, for the old student of Go classes, is there any discount? So if you are Go classes old student, okay, either you are Gate CS complete course enrolled student, or you are Gate DA complete course enrolled student, or you are Gate CS plus DA combo complete course enrolled student. If you are an old student of Go classes complete course, either CS or DA or combo, then there is 20% discount for you. Please send a mail to us. For that, you need to send a mail. Please send a mail to us. So then you will get a 20% discount. This is for our old students. Okay. And let me tell you, for all other students, there is 15% discount that is going on. Please enroll before the 1st of March, or please enroll today itself before the orientation session. You can enroll so that you can join the orientation session live, and you can talk to us. You can discuss all your doubts in the orientation session. Okay. After the orientation session, we will share the daily schedule. We will start our Gate DA 2026 journey. We will start after the orientation session. So orientation session will be conducted on 26th February. Before that, you enroll, and after you enroll, then please send a mail to us to get added in the private Telegram groups. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Very excited for this journey of Gate DA 2026. I hope you are excited as well. Let us know in the comments. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, just let us know in the comments, or even if you just want to